What's going on, guys? Desmond here with I Review the Fly, and it's been a long time since I've done a video, and I will explain to you why, guys. One of the main reasons why I haven't done a video in a while, I've still been copping some dope kicks, which I'm actually going to showcase some kicks to you guys today. I'm actually sitting in the parking lot in front of my local Starbucks. I'm just waiting on my coffee to get done, so I figured, hey, what the heck, I'll go ahead and shoot the video now, my guys. But one of the main reasons why I haven't put out any content in a while, guys, is literally the week after I did my last video, I actually got into a really bad car accident, guys. So, you know, I just wasn't, you know, it wasn't a car accident where I was like really hurt, but I was just not into doing any videos and things of that nature. And then on top of that, Google, which is the owner of YouTube, decided to change their way of doing their payout for advertising on your video. So basically now, since this is fairly a new channel that I just really decided I was gonna really start ramping up and really putting a whole lot of content out on, they decided that, well, unless you have 1,000 subscribers, or if you also have to have 4,000 hours of people viewing your channel, and for 4,000 hours of viewing, which equates to 240,000 minutes, which is basically 250,000 views, if they were just doing 1 minute views, to your YouTube channel before Google decides they want to pay you again. So because I am a person that I am actually about making money, I don't like wasting time on things that are not going to generate me any income. So I guess you guys will ask me, why am I doing this? Well, I am an online marketer as well. So since Google will not pay me for them using their ads, I will be placing my own ads in my videos for my own products. And that's just that. And whoever don't like it, well, oh well. I'm not going to do videos just for free. I mean, I love shoes and everything, and we're going to get to that. But I'm also here to make money, guys. My kids don't eat views, they eat food, and in order to get food, you gotta make money. So anyhow, guys, enough of that. So just to let you know, from here on out, yes, my YouTube videos will be I will be making more videos and putting more content out now on dope kicks and fly apparel and things of that nature. But yes, I will be putting in my own ads, since Google will not pay me for them putting their ads in my videos. I will be putting my own ads in my videos because I like to make money. In the story, that's that. Anyhow, guys, the reason why I'm here today, guys, is you're reading the title right now. A week after Christmas, guys, I actually found some Air Max Zeros. Some Air Max Zeros, and I'm wearing, this is like my third time wearing the shoes, but I want to go ahead and showcase the shoes to you. I got a whole lot of other shoes I haven't even worn yet that I'm going to be doing videos on. But I found these Air Max Zeros in Marshalls for $49, while all the other major stores were still carrying them for $130. What? So anyhow, guys, I'm talking $49, 50 bucks. That's over 60% off the retail price on these joints, man, and they are straight fire. And the crazy part is, if you guys remember, I did a long in-depth review of the Air Max Zeros, and I had the all white colorway, and I told you I would never get a pair of all white cloth shoes, and I still want, but they had the colorway that I liked, that I talked about in that video. And I talked about, I wanted the one that was in the black and white colorway, and they actually had them in Marshalls for $49. And here they are right here, guys. Bam! Check that out. Oh my goodness. Yes, they are authentic. They are not the unauthorized things that you can get off of DHgate and all that crap. I only wear real shoes, and as you can see that there's actually wear on the bottom of the shoes. I'm getting this crazy glare right here, so you really can't tell, but that's actually what I only wore the shoes for like 3 times, guys. But this is a freaking steal right here, guys. Like I said, for $49, 50 bucks, and these shoes are matter of fact, they're on sale right now in Champs for like $99. And I bought these the week after Christmas for $49. Retail price is $130, guys. These are straight dope. So guys, I've already done a review on these before, but as you can see, very clean shoes. And the reason why I wanted these, because if you look at the toe box, it's not white. It's like a black and white, gray, like mixture woven in color right there. So you got a good chance of your shoes not getting messed up. Just dope kicks. I mean, really dope kicks, and I love them, guys. So anyhow, guys, just want to let you know of my fresh cop. I mean, like I said, I copped them back in the week after Christmas. I literally only wore them 3 times, but I said, what the heck, if I'm gonna bring my channel back to life, I'm gonna start off with some of the shoes I got right after my car accident, guys, and show them to you. I got some more things coming up in the very near future. Anyhow, guys, I'm gonna cut right here because these are fire. I gave him a subpar rating before because I gave him a decent rating before. I can't remember exactly what it was. It was a while back, but I gave him a decent rating before because they are very comfortable shoes. They are dope kicks. It's just that I could not see myself buying white cloth shoes. I don't care what company makes them because your kid can step on them. You can waste some drink on them. And I don't care. You can go out and buy that crap, spray to keep your shoes clean or whatever else. This all white version of this right here is going to get dingy, and trust me, when they get dingy, they really look dingy. When they go from pure white to actually looking like the skin tone, my skin tone. Nah, I don't want that on my feet. I love my skin tone, but I don't want that on my shoes. You dig what I'm saying? So anyhow, guys, like I said, I'm definitely going to give these a 10. They're comfort, they're great color and everything. So I'm going to cut right here, guys, and I'm going to give you that on foot, that 360 view of these shoes on my feet, and we're going to make that happen. So, guys, I'm out for now. Be back with that on feet, baby. What's going on, guys? Almost $1,400 made from sharing photos and videos on Instagram and Facebook. To learn how I'm able to do this every single week, just go to the website right across this video, guys. Making money online is too easy, and you should be doing it too.